JD Cap 26 here. Just do the tips and repairs, and we're doing a little repair right here on these pliers. So what we're doing is we cut a piece of leather, and it's about 5 millimeters wide, and we glued it on with gorilla glue. Excuse me, and we're making soft jaw pliers out of that. So if you need a pair of soft jaw pliers for your hobby bench, this is how you make them. And you don't have to go out and buy them. Just get a pair of just regular pliers and cover them with leather. I put tape on them first, and the tape after a while wears out, but the leather is a little bit more durable. So it's an old trick, and I thought I'd show this to you. And I hope you have a good day. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Have a great day.